So in last session we have installed Java and we have seen how to run it from command line. So Java-version command we have run. So we were able to find out the version of the Java. So today we will run our first sample program. So we will create a Java program and we will see how to compile the Java program and how to execute the Java program. So don't worry about the programming structure. I will just write a small program. So we will come to what is this class and programming structure later. So in Java programming, you will start your program with name called class. So public static void main. So main is the method or function that we will be writing in Java program. So you don't worry about all this syntax and structures. So we will come to that later. So I just wanted to show you the Java program and how to compile it and how to run it. So this will print welcome.java in the console. So we have to save Java file. With the class name that we have given with extension welcome.java. So this class name and the file name that we have given should match. The file name should be welcome. Now I will go to command line. So my Java file was saved in this location. Java C is the compiler for compiling the Java program. So you can see the dir commands to see your Java file. So Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command because in the path we don't have Java bin directory set. So we have our Java installation in C, program files, Java. So once you install Java, you will have to JDK and JRE. So Java-C is the tool from JDK. So in JDK bin directory, you will have this Java-C. So there are so many other tools available. So this Java-C, if you want it to be recognized from the command line, so you should have to set this in the path. What is path? So in any operating system, path is nothing but the location where the system can find the programs. So when you type some command, the system will check for the command file in the path that you have specified. So it will not search your whole computer. So it will check in the path. So you can specify any number of directories or in the path. It will check for the command that you have typed in for that locations that you have specified in the path. Now we will see how to specify the path. So in the environment variables, system settings, you will in my computer properties, you will have environment variables. Here you can see environment variable called path. So it has already set so many directories in the path for different commands that we will be using. So we will set our Java bin directory to the path. So because this folder contains our Java-C command. So I have copied the address of the folder and I have pasted it. So once I set the path, I need to restart my command prompt. So now I am able to compile my Java code. So what we discussed earlier, so when you compile Java code, it will generate the bytecode. So this bytecode will be interpreted by the JRE or JVM and produce you the result. So once your compilation is successful, it will generate dot class file. So this dot class file is generated from our Java-C compilation. So this is called as bytecode. So this bytecode will be interpreted by the JVM and execute your program. Now we need to execute. Java is the command to run the Java programs. So once you call Java, it will launch Java runtime environment for executing the Java program. So now we need to execute this class file. So we need not specify any dot class, we can just call welcome. So Java welcome, so it has printed the message that we have given in our program welcome.java. So you can change this, save it, compile it again and run it. Now the message that is printed on the console gets changed. So this is how we will compile the Java program. Once you compile the Java program, so it will generate. Yeah, it is similar to printf in C language. Now it has printed, and using Java command we will run the Java program. So once you call this Java command, it will initiate the JRE to execute this bytecode and it produce you the output. Okay. So now we will see one more environment variable called class path. Suppose I will go out of this and I will try to run the Java program that we have created. So it is not able to locate the class file that I have given. So but I wanted to run my Java program from this directory. So what can I do? So there is an environment, so like operating system will look at path environment variable for the tools or commands that it wants to execute. Similarly, Java will look at the environment variable called class path for the classes that you have given. So if it has to execute some class, so it will look in the class path folder. So now we will set class path to the directory where we have our class file. So this is the folder where we have our class file. Now I will run it from the same location I got the output. So earlier it did not identify because the class path is empty. So it was not able to execute the class. Now we have set the class path variable to the folder where the class file is available. So now I can run it from any folder. So you can set multiple locations in the class path so that it will, when you run JVM, it will look at all those locations for the classes that you are using.